Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a dessert that my wife and I are very fond of during the summer months when peaches are in season. It's a little dish we like to call peach crisp. It's a warm, comforting, peachy goodness topped with a crispy, sugary, caramel-like topping. It's delicious, it's easy, let me tell you how to make it. Take 2 to 3 fresh peaches and dice them into cubes. We normally do 3 peaches when they are small, but if the peaches are big, we'll just do 2. The quantities of the ingredients I'm sharing is for 2 servings, for little 8-ounce ramekins. Once the peaches are cut, add to them 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Mix this until the peaches are completely coated and combined with the sugar and the flour. This mix helps make the peaches juicy and thickens that juice for ample coating. In a separate bowl, combine the ingredients for the topping. Start with 2 tablespoons of butter and get it melted. Add to the butter 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of rolled oats, and a pinch or 2 of cinnamon. Mix the topping mix together until fully combined. To assemble the peach crisps, in 8-ounce ramekins, add in the peaches to each of the ramekins until evenly distributed. Press down the peaches gently with a spoon to fill all the empty space and make a flatter surface for the topping. Once pressed, gently add on the topping and spread across the peaches until covered. When the ramekins are filled, they are ready to bake. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After baked, remove from the oven and let rest for 15 minutes. This waiting for the resting is the hardest part, but it's worth it in order to save your tongue from inevitable burning. And that's it. This peach crisp is a perfect summertime dessert. Another optional add-on is a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's great without the ice cream, but a scoop of ice cream really takes this dessert to another level. I've made ice cream on this channel before and will again. Links in the description and on screen for that. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please consider leaving a like to this video. Also, subscribe if you like peaches. My wife and I love this seasonal dessert of ours. I hope you can enjoy it too. Thanks again. See you next time.